Alrighty, I am out here. It's February 1st, about 3 o'clock. The blizzard warning has just taken effect. This is supposedly supposed to be about a 20 to 28 inch snowfall with this blizzard here of 2011. So I thought I'd get a little documentation before the brunt of it comes through here. We've got our stairway here, our front gate. We'll go on outside here. See what we've got going on. Still some patches of concrete. You see the wind blowing. That's blowing directly from the lake is what we're getting here. See the streets, the cars, you can pretty much see everything. They say this should be something about 4 inches per hour up until 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So here's a little view as far as what we've gotten. There's the house. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll bring you all back out here and we'll see what we've got going on. I have a feeling things may look a little different. Okay, so it's the next day here, and as you can see, Tucker is buried in the snow. It's all the way up to his mouth, his chest. Is that fun, buddy? A little bit different out here today. Okay, so this is the back of the house here. This is my garage, the back of the building. And I was going to come back here and get my truck out to play in the four-wheel drive. And as you can see, these drifts are pretty intense. And I don't know if I'd be able to get out. And as you walk down our alley here, you could just see, I mean, this snow in the streets going up to my knee. Wow. Yeah, there's no getting out of here. As much as I want to try it, I just don't think I could do it. But who knows? I might still try it. Here's Mother and Tucker. As you can see, Tucker can barely stand. He's in the middle of a drift. Hi, darling.
Hi, honey.
What are you guys doing?
He loves it. He looks like a giant cotton ball.
Again, we're in the back alley here behind my house here.
Let's see how long he can go out here. Come here, bud. Come here.
Here, boy. Come here, Tuck. Come here. Come here.
Go.
Come here. Come here.
You're faster than I am.
Huh? You having so much fun?
This is awesome. I love it.
You having fun with your Canadian mother? Look at you.
Hot. You need your jacket, buddy.
Have no fear. The heavy Chevy is here. As you can see, we've got quite the drifts. This is what I like to call the heavy Chevy versus the 5-foot drifts. Okay, friends, this is me walking out my bedroom here, and the city is right over there. You can't see the skyline with all the snow, but I'm just going to show you the pros and cons of having a lot of stairs. See, it's nice when it's summertime out and all that kind of fun stuff and you have access to everywhere, but I will show you all of these stairs that yours truly gets to shovel as soon as I get done doing this. There's another patio. Of course, we're down to 3 logs of firewood. That always works out real good during a storm. Let's see what else here. And then we keep going down. Here we go. Don't worry, there's more stairs. All right. Then we come down and we got more stairs. Well, don't you worry, because we just make another turn and we've got more stairs. Let's keep on going. All right. And then we got this snow that's up to my knees. I just did this sidewalk here going out the back into the garage. And then we got all the way down here, sidewalk. Not to mention the whole front of the property yet. And then look at this drift. Look at all this. Another sidewalk down there. I think we'll leave the basement alone. What do you think? Until next time.
Oh, cool. That'd be cool.
So they're different, you know.
Yeah.
But I think, like, you know, because he'll be 1 in June.
Yeah, no, that's a good.
All the
If you're
friends.
gonna get another one, I feel like